Hey there, nail enthusiasts. So you've been working hard on your nail game, mastering extensions, filing, and all of that good stuff. But somehow your nails are still missing that salon quality finish. Well, fear not, because I've got a tip that will take your nails to the next level. Creating salon style nails is all about the 4 key steps. Step 1, choosing your color. 2, color placement. 3, adding nail art. And lastly, 4, rhinestone placement. Today, we're going to focus on step 2, color placement. If you're interested in learning how to choose the perfect nail color combination, check out my video from a few months ago titled Foolproof Method to Perfect Nail Color Combinations. But for now, let's focus on color placement.
Here's a little known trick to balancing color on the hand in order to help create salon style nails. First, you want to choose any color you like. I am using 419 by D&D. And the next step you're going to do is to choose 3 fingers to have the same color. I chose my thumb, my index, and my pinky. For the remaining 2 fingers, you want to choose a color that complements your main color or add some nail art such as glitter, foil, or flowers. Today I'm going for a monochromatic look. So I chose this matching micro glitter. And this is the look I came up with. See how it is a balanced look. Nothing looks off. I know it looks more balanced because it's more monochromatic. But even if I was to choose a different color for these 2 fingers, this look still will look balanced. And in order to prove that to you, I have, I think, 3 more examples to show you. In this example, I chose nude for 3 fingers, and for a pop of color, I did choose an orange. We have an orange color and also an orange glitter. In the next example, the thumb and pinky are a solid yellow, while the other 3 are decorative. And lastly, I have another monochromatic look where the 3 fingers are a cream color and the 2 fingers are with a matching glitter. I feel like I need to show you this 3-2 technique works with any color scheme, not just monochromatic. As you can see, this magenta pairs well and looks harmonious with the seafoam green. I hope by now you understand how to balance color on the hand. There are several more techniques out there. You just have to study nail art to discover them. To give a brief synopsis of the 3-2 method, first you want to choose 3 fingers to match in color. Second, you will use the remaining 2 for a different color or nail art. This is a great way to harmonize color on the hand, and it's also a great way to get you started in developing your own unique style. So keep practicing and experimenting with different formulas to find out what works for you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to see more of my nail tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.